Hi everyone, welcome to the introduction to the two-port networks. Now, any pair of terminals at which the electrical signal may enter into the network, or leave the network is called as port. Now, as you can see in this diagram, there are two ports, right? One is this side, that is called input, and one is on the other side, it is called output port. So network may be multi-port network as well. That means it will have multiple ports. Here the example I have taken is having only two ports, so there can be multiple networks also, multiple ports rather. So a port is a pair of terminal through which the electrical signal, the energy is supplied to the network, or it is uh, taken away from the network. Now basic port parameters here are voltage and current. Okay, so this voltage V1 corresponds to the input voltage, and this is input current. Input voltage is here. This is output current I2, and this is V2 is output voltage, right? So a network may be characterized by using these four variables. Those are V1, that is input voltage, I1 input current, V2 output voltage, and I2, that is output current. The basic understanding of network, a two-port network, is you are feeding in the input here and you are getting the output here at the output. There may be a load connected here at the output, right? So by taking these four factors into consideration, that is V1 V2, V1 I1, V2 I2, a two-port network can be modeled by using certain parameters, right? And those parameters are the parameters which we'll be discussing under the header two-port networks. So basically those parameters are, one is Z parameter, next one is Y parameter, next one is hybrid parameter, next one is T parameter. So these are the four parameters which we will be discussing under this topic, and these all parameters are functions of V1 I1 V2 I2. That means a Z parameter, this network can be characterized by using Z parameter. In turn, Z parameter is a function of these four basic variables of two-port network. So basic variables of two-port network are one V1 I1 at the input side and V2 I2 at the output side. So similarly, Y parameter is also a function of V1 I1 V2 I2. Not all of them taken together, but one after the other, or one or two. And even hybrid parameter is a function of in these basic four parameters of the two-port network, even T for that matter. So this was an introduction about two-port networks. Now the thing has to be noted here is a two-port network will have dependent sources but not independent sources. This is the note which the two-port network will have dependent sources only. There will not be any independent